Hello students, today we are going to learn subject RR and our topic is not being wasteful. In this story, we are going to learn a good moral about wise, not wasteful. So students, let us know how we can be wise. We can be wise by not wasting our food, means we should take limited amount of food in our plate. If we are sure that we can complete it, then only we should take the food in our plate. And we should always try not to throw food in the dustbins. And second thing is, we should always save electricity. So how we can save electricity? Yes, we can save electricity by switching off the lights and fans. Yes, students, if we are not in the room, we should turn off lights and fans. So like this, we can save electricity. And we can also be wise by closing the dripping taps. Means when the water is going on wasting unnecessarily, then we should close it. And we should always throw garbage in the dustbins. Means when you are in school, if you are sharpening your pencil, then you should throw that waste in the dustbins. And when we are at home also, if something we have to throw, we have to always make sure that we are throwing the waste in the dustbins. So by doing such things, we can be wise. Now students, we have understood that how we can be wise. Now let us begin with the story. These stories of two sisters, Reena and Sheena. They lived in the big city of Bengaluru. Bangalore is also known as the Garden City because it has many parks and trees. Reena and Sheena's favorite park was near to their house. It had people, goa, jackfruit, and banyan trees, and the park was looked after by a gardener. Every evening, Reena and Sheena went to the park with their friends and they played hide and seek over there. And whenever they got tired, they would sit around the gardener and ask him about the trees. The gardener also gave them big juicy goas. Then, one day, when they went to the park after a heavy rain, they were shocked because they saw X marks on the trees, and even they could not see the gardener anywhere. Then suddenly, gardener appeared there and shouted, "Go away, naughty children." The children were shocked because they never saw Gardner in anger. And Rina asked, "Why are you angry? Why do trees have X on them?" "But we love the trees. We don't want them to cut down," said Sheena. Then Gardner told, "Come with me." He took children to his hut and he went inside and brought a newspaper and asked them to read this. Then the children read the headlines. It was written, "Bangalore will be soon be a treeless city." "But we don't do these things," said Rina. "Really?" Gardner told angrily. Then he asked, "Do you use both sides of the paper to write or draw? Do you use your pencil till they become so small that you can't fold them anymore? How many of you eat everything that's on your plate?" And as children was listening to him carefully, he went on saying that, "You did not ask the trees to be cut. But don't you know that the paper and the pencils are made from the wood of trees? If you and other children of Bangalore had used your things with greater care, these things would not have been cut down." Seeing that the children were getting upset, then he smiled. He told that the trees are not going to be cut. I made this marking to make you understand that we should protect nature. Trees, rivers, and oceans give us food, clothes, and water, and it is our duty to protect them. You can do that by not being wasting anything. Otherwise, this tree will soon have a real X marked on them, and they will be cut down. Reena, Sheena, and their friends were relieved to learn that the trees they loved were not going to be cut down after all. And then they made a promise that they will be more careful and responsible. The moral of the story is We should be wise, not wasteful. Value gems to learn. Plants are very valuable. Trees provide shelter to many animals. Trees purify the air. We get most of our food from plants. Trees protect soil. Trees provide us wood.